The best part about working at Trace-A-Matic is the coworkers. Coworkers are real friendly, real helpful. The camaraderie is great. It's a good company to work for. They take care of us real well.
People, the environment. I mean, you need help, people are here to help you and all that. No questions asked or anything. They just, they help you. Machinings are nice and kept up.
Working at Trace is like in a family. The management is very respectful and they're supportive to work with. And all my coworkers are also very friendly and they're being very helpful.
We say here at Trace that we're the easy button for our customers, but we take the challenging stuff that many other suppliers don't want to take, and through doing that, that's really in essence the hard stuff, right? Which makes it challenging for the programming department, challenging for the quality department, challenging for everybody. But through that, our people are growing constantly, which is really kind of cool, and that is the part that makes it fun. We're a faith-based company, and through that faith-based company, the people become our friends, and really we just embrace godly principles as a company whole, which then just puts a certain peace and comfort amongst the people for their future. So that's it.